Good morning, class. Happy Independence Day to you all. Today we will discuss about a grade 3 chapter, Things Around Us. We can see different types of things in our surrounding, like water, soil, plants, animals, so many things we can see. So today we will classify them and we will learn their characteristics also. First is natural thing and artificial thing. What is natural thing? Natural things are those things which we can found in nature, and artificial things are the replica of natural things. These we can't find in nature. These are the replica of natural things. These are made by human. Artificial things are made by human. Natural things are further classified into two types. First one is living things and second one is non-living things. Living things means the thing which has life. Example, plants and animals. Non-living things, the things do not have life. They are called non-living things. Non-living things are example, water, soil, rock, and so many toys, etc. Natural non-living things are classified into two types, natural non-living things and man-made things. Natural non-living things, these are of two types, things that are never alive and things that were once alive. Things that are never alive means they don't have life, they are never alive. Examples are water, soil, rock. And things that were once alive means once upon a time these are alive, but now these are dead and these are non-living. Example, coal, wood, shells and paper. Coal nowadays these coal, but once upon a time it was a tree and that time it was alive. So these are once alive. Next come to this part, the man-made things. Man-made things are made by human. Example, buildings, cars, toys, etc. Man-made things and artificial things both are almost similar, but there is slight difference. All artificial things are man-made things, but reverse is not always true. Why it is called? Because there are some things which is not a replica of natural thing, but these are made by human. So these type of things we can't tell as the artificial things, but these are man-made things. Example: computer, telephone. These are not the artificial thing. This is totally invented by human. It's not the replica of any natural thing, but these are the man-made things. And artificial things, here you can see this picture. This is the replica of an elephant. This is a toy elephant. So it is artificial elephant. This is also man-made things. So understood what is the man-made things and what is artificial thing? Now we will discuss about the characteristics of living things. Here are some characteristics. First one is living things need food and water. Plants can prepare their own food. That process is called photosynthesis. And animals can't prepare their own food by themselves. They indirectly or directly eat the plant product. According to their food habit, animals are classified into three types. First one is herbivore. Here you can see herbivore. Herbivores are the animals which eat only plant products. And second is carnivore. Carnivores are the animals which eat only the flesh of other animals. And another type that is omnivore. Omnivores means the animals which eat both plants and animals. Next point is living things grow. Living things grow means when we born, we all are baby, right? After that, we are growing. Here you can see the life cycle of human. So first, when a child born, after that it grows and become a girl or boy. Next, it become the adult. After that, adult, old age, and next die. So this is the life cycle of human. If we discuss the life cycle of plant, you can see first one is seed. From the seed, it comes the sprout, then seedling, then the plant, uh, then the big plant comes out. Like that. Here, one more picture. This is the life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly life cycle. First, you can see egg. From the egg, caterpillar or the larva comes out. From that caterpillar, chrysalis or pupa. From that pupa, the new butterfly comes out. So these are the life cycle of different animals. We already discussed these 2 points. Living things need food and water, and living things grow. Third point is living things breathe. Take a deep breath and relax. So, by this process, we are inhaling oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. This is the process of breathing. By breathing, we are taking oxygen. This oxygen is very much important for our metabolic reaction. In our body, there are multiple metabolic reactions, and by this, we are getting energy. Not only for human beings, breathing is important for all living organisms. It is for animals also as well as plant also. Plants breathe through stomata. Different animals has different respiratory organs. In human, we can see lungs. In fish, we can see the gill. And the insect breathe through spiracles. Earthworm breathe through moist skin. Like that, different animals have different respiratory organs. Next point, living things move. We can see two types of move. One is movement and second is locomotion. What is movement? Movement means I am moving. This is the movement. I am moving my hand, but I am not changing my position. I am standing in one place. Just I am moving my hand or I am blinking my eyes. So I am not moving from this place, right? So this is the movement. But when I am walking or I am running, I am walking, this is the locomotion. From changing one place to another, changing the place, that is called locomotion. This is mostly movement we can see in plants, and movement and locomotion both we can see in the animals. Different animals have different locomotory organs. Like land animals which can walk or run, they have limbs. And fish we can see fins. In the dark we can see web feet. Birds have wings. So different animals have different locomotory organs. Next point is living things can feel and respond. That means if we touch any hot object, we can feel that hotness. If we touch any cold thing, we can feel the cold. If we pinch in our hand, we can feel the pain. So we can feel this. This is the response. What is stimulus? Stimulus means any change in our surrounding which causes the response. This is called stimulus. Here, the hot object, hot, this is the stimulus. And we are changing and how we respond to them. If we touch any hot object, instantly we'll take our hand back, right? We'll not wait. Immediately we'll take our hand back. So this is the response. So what is response? Response means the behavioral change for the stimulus, that is called response. Sunflower plant move to the direction of sun. Here sunlight is the stimulus and flower facing the sun, that is the response. Have you noticed the touch me not plant? If we touch that plant, the plant will close their leaves. So here touch is the stimulus and closing the leaves, this is the response. So there are so many examples of stimulus and response. Next point is living things reproduce. Reproduce means it is a process by which living things produce their own kind of individual. It is in different types in different animals or plants. If we see plants are reproduced by seeds. But some plants are there who can reproduce by the vegetative parts like stem, root or leaf. And in animals also, some animals giving birth to their young ones and some animals laying eggs. So there are different types of reproduction. Reproduction by seed examples are papaya, tomato, and reproduction by vegetative birds examples are potato, carrots. By laying eggs, the examples are insects and birds, and by giving birth to their young ones, examples are cow, goat, humans, like that. So many examples are there. Living things reproduce. Here you can see some pictures. Hen and chick. Hen is the adult and chick is the baby. So you can see the animals and their babies picture here. Lion, cub, duck, duckling, like that. Next point is living things need a suitable place to live, that is called habitat. Habitat is the natural home of organism. Here in this picture you can see there are some different habitats. First one is desert. Here the example camels and polar bear. The polar region polar bears lives. Next, this is the plain area. Here wheat. You can see the example of wheat. So habitat is the natural environment where a organism lives, grows and reproduce. Last point is living things die. Living things has their specific lifespan. It is differ in different animals and plants. So the birth to death, this period is called the lifespan. In plants, we can see mostly three types. First one is annual plants, which plant lives only for 1 year. Second is the biennial plant. Biennial plant lives for 2 years. The examples are mostly shrubs, and annual plants examples are herbs. And third is perennial plant. Perennial plant lives more than 3 years. These are examples the trees. Lifespan is differ in animals also. Short-lived animals examples are insect, birds. Medium-lived animals example cow, dog, and long-lived animals examples are elephant, tortoise, etc. That's all for today. Next day we'll discuss any other chapter. Thank you.